Yo, I'm back with another video. I know I haven't posted one in a long time, but this is just gonna be a quick monthly and weekly forecast of where I think price is gonna go. It's gonna be quite quick. I'm gonna aim for around 6 to 7 minutes. And yeah, let's get into it. So starting on NQ, this looks pretty bullish, honestly, in my opinion, for right now. On the monthly time frame, what we did is we took out external range liquidity right here, and so what I can expect for this next week is to run this previous month high and then run lower after that. As we did take external range liquidity, we should be targeting internal range liquidity, which is this low right here and this fair value gap right here. And ultimately I want it to rebalance price action. I want it to rebalance this range right here into equilibrium. Weekly time frame looks pretty bullish as well. We just tapped into internal range liquidity, so that's why I was saying that we can target external range liquidity before we go lower again. And we haven't tapped into equilibrium of our weekly range yet, but I think we're going to take out the high first and then run lower, possibly form a high time frame SMT higher before we run lower, because we do not have a SMT at the highs right now. And basically my monthly forecast right now is in week 1 we run higher, take out this previous month high, and then week 2 we accumulate. We don't really have that much movement, and we're just in seek and destroy profiles. And then week 3 we have a manipulation higher, so basically we're gonna see this high taken out, some accumulation, manipulation higher, maybe another all-time high, run lower, and the distribution lower for week 4, something like this. Because also the daily time frame does look bullish. The way this just closed above this low right here, we swept it, closed above this fair value gap and above this fair value gap, and ultimately it just looks bullish. I want to see what we do Monday and Tuesday on the 4-hour time frame. I want to see us break through this high, come lower, retest this order block, and then create a low of week profile right here, and ultimately distribute throughout the week. And Friday will close bullish. And let me just check news. Okay, honestly, looking at news, I think this week's going to be really good because we have news literally every single day. Monday, Tuesday, Jolt jobs opening, and then Wednesday we got non-farm. We got Bank of Canada interest rate, which it looks like they might cut, which is going to be bearish for currencies and then bullish for assets. Thursday we got unemployment claims. Friday we got hourly earnings, non-farm, and unemployment rate. Honestly, my weekly bias is lining up pretty well, because if Canada does decrease interest rates, that's going to cause the markets to pump. And yeah, this is basically what I'm expecting. Honestly, ES looks a lot better. You can see ES, the way we closed this 4-hour last week, we closed above this, which is a market structure shift. So what I'm expecting is some sort of low of week here, and then a rally like this, and then we possibly create a SMT like this with NQ, where NQ takes out its low down here, and then NQ runs higher like this. That's what I'm expecting. If we don't get an SMT or structure to validate this, of course, I'm not going to be bullish. If we see Monday, honestly, run higher like this and run to all-time highs, then of course, for the rest of the week, I'm going to be bearish, because it's just high of week profile and then distribution lower. But yeah, and DXY right now, honestly, it's just consolidating. We do have equal highs above and then also equal highs right here, which we are in a huge market maker buy model right now. But as of right now on the 4-hour, we are just consolidating. We haven't really moved anywhere or shown a clear sign of direction of where we're going to go. We do have a lot of buy side liquidity above and below as well. So yeah, we're just consolidating. Ultimately, I do think we're going to see equal highs probably this month, it's probably going to be when NQ is distributing lower, probably week 2 and week 3. And yeah, other than that, that's it. Kept it under 6 minutes.